Place the towel warmer on a hard, dry, and level surface. Open the lid. Place a dry towel or blanket inside. Close the lid. Plug the power cord into an electrical outlet. Press the on-off button to turn it on. The default setting heats for 30 minutes at high temperature. Press the on-off button to choose a heating time of 30, 60, or 90 minutes. Press the temperature button to adjust between low and high temperature modes. When the time indicator turns red, it means that the inner surface is too hot to touch. The unit will automatically turn off when the set time ends. You can press the on-off button at any time to stop or restart the heating cycle. When heating is complete, open the lid and remove the towel or blanket. Note, the inner surface will remain hot for up to 30 minutes. Allow it to cool before touching.